Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Tejasvi Bachalla, consultant doctor in Fidicus Homeopathy. Today we are discussing about what is dengue, what are the signs and symptoms, what are the treatment plans available for dengue. Dengue is the most viral disease in the world with a wide clinical spectrum. Usually, dengue spreads in the rainy season. The prevalence of dengue increases in the months of July to November. Now, I can clearly explain the signs and symptoms of the dengue. Let's move on to the board. Now, we are discussing about the dengue fever. What is dengue? Dengue is a mosquito-borne viral infection. Usually, dengue is of three types: dengue fever, dengue hemorrhagic fever, dengue shock syndrome. Dengue usually present with these three types. Dengue fever means dengue fever is an acute illness caused by Aedes aegypti mosquito characterized with symptoms like severe headache, muscle pain and joint pains. Dengue hemorrhagic fever is the most dangerous form, usually present with small bleeding gums, bleeding from mucous membrane, nose. This is a dangerous form and one of the complications of dengue. Now coming to dengue shock syndrome, it is a life-threatening condition of dengue, usually present with cold, clammy skin, slow and rapid pulse, and also organ failure also seen in dengue shock syndrome. So don't neglect dengue. Dengue is also called as a breakbone fever. Why it is called as a breakbone fever means because the patient feels itself the bones are breaking in nature even though there is no actual bone damage. Dengue virus. Usually dengue is caused by four types of dengue serotypes. Dengue virus 1, 2, 3, 4. Vector. Aedes aegypti act as vector for dengue fever. Usually the mosquito bites during daytime, causes spread of infection. Reservoir. Humans act as the reservoir for dengue fever and also infected human itself act as the source of infection for the spread of dengue fever. Now coming to the signs and symptoms of dengue fever. Usually in dengue fever, some signs or symptoms are present. Patient is suffering from fever and also with severe headache. It means there is constant headache. Retroorbital pain. Retroorbital pain means pain behind the eyes. And pain gradually increases while moving the eyeballs. And myalgia. Myalgia means muscle pain. Arthalgia means joint pains. Usually, dengue is also called as breakbone fever. There are several joints involved in dengue fever. Usually, joints of wrist, fingers, elbow, knees, etc. All these joints are involved. And rash is also seen in dengue fever condition. Usually, red flushing over the chest and upper limbs. This is the rash. Usually in the upper limbs and the chest region. Mild hemorrhagic means there is small petachia. Petachia means purplish bluish spots. These are the petechial forms. These are small red purplish bluish red forms. And also bleeding from gums, nose, mucous membranes also there. Nausea and vomiting. Nausea and vomiting are the common digestive symptoms associated with infection. In severe cases, bleeding and shock also seen. These are the complications of dengue. Now we are coming to the what are the conventional treatment available for dengue? These are the conventional treatment methods available for dengue. In conventional method, there is no specific cure for dengue. Only supportive care is provided. There is no antiviral drugs because dengue has no medicine. No antiviral drugs against the dengue fever. They are using paracetamol. Paracetamol only reduces the fever and pain. In conventional treatment doesn't prevent the recurrence. By using conventional treatment present now, the condition will be resolved off. But in future it may again reappear. Doesn't rise the platelet count directly. By using allopathic mode, we cannot rise the platelet count directly. Doesn't boost the immunity. Conventional treatment doesn't boost our immune system. These are the conventional methods following for dengue fever. Now coming to the homeopathic mode of treatment in dengue condition. In homeopathy, we can prevent dengue. We can use dengue preventive medicines and we can also cure dengue condition. If you are using medicines at correct time, you can cure the condition and also we can prevent them for further complications also. We can reduce their hospitalization and also already having dengue and homeopathic treatment also helps in prevention of further recurrence and also helps in number of symptoms, reducing their frequency and also duration of the symptoms. Homeopathic treatment also relieves the dengue presenting symptoms. Homeopathic treatment is safe, effective and timely. Usually homeopathic medicine is prepared from natural source, so it is safe for children, pregnant women, elderly persons. There is no other medicine as effective as homeopathy. If you use medicines at a timely, you can get results earlier. What do you get from Fidicus Homeopathy? Fidicus Homeopathy stands for highest success rate because we are following three principles. Doctors in Fidicus Homeopathy are having with passion, qualification, knowledge, experience, competence and compassion. The drug device procedures we are following are of top quality. And also we are in best in segments. It means there are so many medicines in homeopathy. We can get our medicines from best pharmaceutical industries. And infrastructure, we are using latest technology and also Fidicus Homeopathy is the first homeopathy who use artificial intelligence as the treatment option. All these are the advantages in Fidicus Homeopathy. Now coming to the consultation part in Fidicus Homeopathy. If you are suffering from dengue, Fidicus Homeopathy provides two types of consultation. One is online consultation, another one is in-person consultation. In online consultation, audio and video calls are available. If you have any reports, you can send send it to us. If any reports are necessary, let me know, and you can take it locally and get back to us. After completing the case taking, you can send our medicines to our doorstep. If you are staying in India, it will take 3 to 4 business working days. If you are staying other than India, it will take 3 to 8 business working days. If you want to come by in person, you can visit our nearest branch and get consultation Fidicus Homeopathy. How can you get consultation Fidicus Homeopathy? This is our WhatsApp number. You can call or message us. If you have any doubts, you can visit our website www.fidicus.com. This is our website. You can visit and consult and get consultation. If you are suffering from dengue, why Fidicus Homeopathy only? There are so many consultation options are available. Why Fidicus Homeopathy means? Because Fidicus Homeopathy stands for highest chance of health. Fidicus Homeopathy follows 3 main principles. One is highest success rate. In dengue condition, we are having highest success rate. And we are also providing transparent treatment. Transparent treatment means we are providing information about the condition and also their prognosis to the patient. And we are also providing personal care. Personal care means we can give time to the patient, we can clarify their doubts and also advise how to maintain health. All these are provided. If you are suffering from dengue, you want to stay safe from dengue, choose Fidicus Homeopathy. Now we discussed about the signs and symptoms of dengue and the treatment plans available for the dengue. If you are suffering from dengue, choose Fidicus Homeopathy. And also Fidicus Homeopathy provide dengue preventive kit. If you want to use our dengue preventive kit, please contact us. Thank you.
Fidicus Homeopathy.